Hello everyone, I am Ilenia of RiFRA TV. We are in Poland, in Warsaw, for the new opening RiFRA Space. I am with Monika. Hello Monika.
Hello.
How
nice
are you?
To meet you? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, what is your philosophy, design that distinguish your studio?
My studio designs projects, and my idea is to show always different projects. So forever, my philosophy is to show that the style of the projects are completely different. So I am trying to do for every client new project, which is exciting for me, which gives some emotions, some feelings. That is like with the art. That when you see art, it gives you some impression. And
Yeah.
my idea is that in philosophy that my interior will be remembered.
How did you meet RiFRA?
I met RiFRA in Salone del Mobile many years ago. It was like maybe 2014-15. I saw the black kitchen and I was in love because it was not very rare to see the black kitchen.
And you can talk about your main project?
Yes, my main project is house in the lake. The name is nuova. You can see this on my website and also on my Instagram. Also, I'm using the RiFRA kitchen, the island,
Good job.
Cemento Island. So it's very it's like old house, black old house with style. I call it glamour Tulum, and this is my idea. I wanted to do something like sanctuary, but more, let's say, for life. So it was the idea.
Yes.
Modern Tulum.
Plan for your future?
Plan for future, I would like to do yachts, interior of course. So my idea is to work with San Lorenzo, the yacht company. I was already in one meeting there, and this is my dream to work with the yachts. This is my new project, which I hope will be soon.
Okay. You have a website, a social media?
Yes, I have my website. The website is goszcz-design.com, and also the Instagram is goszcz-design. So, welcome.
Thank you Monika for your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
RiFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.